Salut coders, this is Bisky. I'm going to teach you backend development using Spring Boot. Let's get started. What is a Spring framework? It is an open source application framework. It is used to develop Java applications. It was released in June 2003 by Rod Johnson. I love this framework because it is mature enough when I'm comparing with other Java frameworks out there. Why Spring Framework? It improves code efficiency, reduces application development time, lot of support, and it is also an open source. It removes status configurations and focus on business logic. It is considered as a secure framework. How it works? It is divided into layers. We have view layer, business logic layer, and data access layer. These layers work together. The view layer communicates with the business layer, and the business layer communicates with the data access layer. So the user can give input through the view layer, and a business logic layer do its logic by communicating to the database through data access layer, saving the data or retrieving data. I will show you when we are doing the practical project. How it started? It started as an inversion of control, also known as dependency injection. The objects define their dependencies, and it is the other objects they work with. So we have an object depending on another object. So the inversion of control works on these objects by having those objects in a container. So let's talk about Spring modules. The Spring framework was divided into modules. We have a core modules, which is the base of the Spring framework. We are talking about dependency injection, internationalization, validation, aspect-oriented programming. We have also data access. We are talking about Java database connection, Java persistence API, and we are talking about also web. We are talking about Spring Web Flags, Servlet APIs, and we are talking also about integration module, where integration to enterprise Java through Java message services, remote method invocation. We are talking about testing module, unit and integration testing through mock objects, test fixtures, caching, and context management. What are you going to learn on this course? You shall learn how to create Spring applications, creating REST services, data persistence, saving data, retrieving data through the access layer, integration, Spring security with OAuth 2, Spring state machine, creating microservices using Spring Cloud, deploy our project on AWS, and many more. What are we waiting for? Let's get started in the next video by creating our first Spring Boot application. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Salut coders, code with Biz.